Today we are going to talk about Native American families and the unique role different family members play. First off, who is considered family? Native American families go beyond just parents and siblings. Households come together to form a small community, which they call their extended family. Extended family is made up of parents, siblings, grandparents, uncles and aunts, and cousins. Whether these individuals are related by blood or not, they are a part of the extended family. Each member of the family serves a different role, but today we are going to focus on the role of elders and children. The role of an elder is to teach the children through their stories, songs, and dances. Elders are viewed as being full of wisdom and knowledge. They play an important role in educating and caring for children. Native Americans recognize elders as an active part of family life, instead of as a burden, like some other societies may view their elders. Native American elders are the foundation of strength and unity for the Native American culture. A child's role in the Native American family is to learn skills from their parents so that they can be successful adults. Girls follow their moms to learn from them, and boys follow their dads to learn from them. Elders tell the children legends and folk tales, and the community as a whole helps care and educate the children. Native American children are viewed as little adults with a bright future. They mature quickly and they enter adult life early on. Gender used to play a unique role in Native American family life. Women were responsible for the home, such as skinning, cleaning, and cooking animals. They gathered fruit and firewood, and they made clothing and baskets. At times, they even repaired the home, such as the roof, or they would help build a new home if they relocated. Men, on the other hand, were the providers and protectors. They went hunting and fishing to provide for their families. They made weapons and built canoes to improve their hunting and fishing experience. And they planted crops. Both genders are viewed as equal. Although it seems like these roles are distinct, it was okay to switch in between these roles. Both genders are viewed as warriors, hunters, teachers, medicine people, and leaders. They are both crucial to the functioning and survival of their society. These family and gender roles still hold true in many Native American communities. However, these roles have been damaged over time through different government interferences. One of the biggest impacts on family life occurred during the boarding school era. During this time, children were sent off to Christian schools because the Western society wanted to assimilate them into the Western culture. The children were pulled from their families and brought to unfamiliar locations, where they became isolated from everything they'd ever known. The Native American children had to abandon their Indian heritage, including their traditional language and their Indian name. Their hair was cut short, and their clothes and moccasins were replaced with uniforms. Upon returning to their families years later, they felt disconnected from their culture, and some didn't even make it home. As a result of this horrific act, family life and roles have been destroyed. Today, many families still grieve the loss of relatives affected by these boarding schools. Native Americans have a significantly higher rate of mental health problems and alcoholism throughout their communities. Many still struggle to find their identity as a result. Gender roles were also affected during this time. At boarding schools, men and women were taught that they are unequal. Girls were taught to be homemakers, like the Western women, and boys were taught to be farmers, like the Western men. Years of oppression have led to a vicious cycle of trauma for Native American families. Many youth now come from broken families and single-parent households, but one thing that still holds true is that extended families are still there to lend a helping hand, and elders are still there to provide guidance and wisdom to those in need. Although there is a growing trend of youth relocating to chase opportunities away from their families, the roots of family and the sense of belonging still remain. For our class activity today, I want you to think about the difference in roles between your family and a Native American family. Discuss these differences with the people around you, and then I will ask you to share your ideas with the class. This concludes our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please come see me. Thanks.